Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of the new bike, Senada Drifter. It's a 20-inch wheels with 4-inch wide tires, 750 watt motor with a bigger battery than usual, and I'll do unboxing to show you how to assemble it. I'll do the speed test to show you how fast it can go, and then I'll share with you my view on this bicycle to see if I like it or not, and show you some tips how to use this bicycle. So let's see what is inside. So it came pretty nice packed, everything inside looks good so far. It has a box over here. This bicycle is not that heavy, so it's pretty simple. I'll just pull it out. Alright, so this is a bike, very beautiful green, actually it's like nylon color. I'll just click all this tighten stuff to remove this tire first. So before you install the tire, make sure you remove these two bolts, the nuts, two nuts, to make it very loose, or remove them completely on both sides. So you would need to remove this plastic over here. It protects your fork from damages while it's shipped, but you don't need it. So you bring this, you hold the fork with one hand, step with your feet on the plastic and lift it up. You don't need this plastic, and moving the tire in. Make sure you put the brakes inside between these two pads in the brake. Alright, it's a little bit windy today, so once you insert the wheel, you attach the hook washers and lock with the nuts from both sides. Make sure you tighten up with the tools later before you start to ride it, and before you tighten it, make sure the wheel is aligned. The next step, you would attach handlebar. You need to insert, open it up over here and just insert it inside. There's a gap, you just move in or down, just lock it in temporarily and put it up. I will not adjust for now, just leave it as is right now. And now you would attach the headlights. It's over here. So you just remove this bolt with a nut. So you remove it from the light. It looks like a real nice dual light, like, so it should be very bright at night. And you would take this fender. It comes with the both fenders, that's good, it's already included in the price, and you just insert it so you would need to remove these bolts from both sides in order to attach back this fender. The rear one is already attached, so use the tool which included. Then you take this bolt and reattach it. And I will re-tighten everything once I attach from both sides. So I install the fender, the brakes a little bit touching the side. So you would need to adjust the brakes. It's very simple. What you do, you need to loosen these two bolts, one over here, one over here. Loosen up, make sure they're even on both sides, and then you retighten these two bolts. Okay, and to make sure it's even up, you just hold the handle. Once it's loose, use the brakes and look, it's straight, and then tighten up. Pretty simple. And now it's time to attach the pedals. And this bike comes really simple instruction. L, for people who doesn't know where it's left, right here. You remove the sticker because you don't need it. Look on the pedals on the side, you find L, and you just attach this one. Same thing you do on the side. You remove letter R because it's on the side, the same letter R, because this one is right. Over here R as well, it means right, and you attach the same way. And once you attach it, you just tighten up with the tool it comes with. Okay. Nice. You can over here press a few seconds until the power will be on. Looks like I need to charge it with the battery. You can turn on light. Let's see if the light on. Yep. The rear light will turn on once you press the brakes, regardless front or rear. It comes also with a key over here. And I'll show you how to fold it. Very simple. So you lift it up, this protector over here, open this lock, okay? And you can do your knee to push it over here. Then just remove your stand and bring the bicycle this way. It's super easy, I guess, for the first time. And you can put it, this certain stand, it will protect your crank, and you can remove the battery. The key over here, you open the battery, remove the key, and the battery will slide out. Let me see what's the size of the battery. Wow, it's big. So here's a battery, 48 by 12 amp, so it's 576 watt power hours, so it's good. Comes with a lock over here. You can charge it right here, you can charge it outside. The same way, easy to install it back. Just slide it all the way down, and then you need to have a key. It comes with 2 keys. Once you lock it in, the battery will stay inside. Now you take it up, and voila. And then you just take over here the lock, just lock it, and use your special protective lock over here to close it so it will not open while you're riding, okay? Also, if you want to charge inside the battery, whilst you on the side, there's a special hole where you plug in your charger, and then you just make sure you close it after you charge so the water will not get inside. Alright guys, so finally I have a chance to take it for a ride. I assembled it. It was very simple, but before going I want to show you some safety tips, okay? So over here, this latch, which easily open up and foldable, becomes the bike can be folded, so the steam can be folded. I have a video how to adjust it if it's too loose or if it's too hard. I will post it in description, but before that I want to show you there's a lock. Most people probably doesn't know about it, but if you look over here, this piece is a lock. So once you close this latch, you have to use this lock to put in this hole all the way down, okay, like this. So it will be completely protected, so it will not open while you're riding. And then if you need to, you just pull it out and open up. This bicycle comes with one of the longest seat posts. As you can see, it can go all the way down, which is real nice. The handlebar adjustable also. Right now it's on the lowest position, but the seat post, it's one of the longest one. I never saw as long. Look on the seat post. Like, look at how tall it is. So the bicycle comes with 5 pedal assist mode, with really nice and big display, which is LCD. It's one color. So, but you can see it sun on the bright sun right now, and you can still see it very well. So it's pretty good. I don't really care about color as long as you can see and it's very clear. It does come with a front light, turn on very easily over here, and also it comes with a horn, very loud horn, and it's half throat. Okay, so let's go for a ride. Speed test. Let's see how fast it can go. I'm gonna switch to the PS5, pedal assist level 5, because the throat only works to the top speed, depending on the pedal assist. And let's see how fast it can go on pedal assist only. So it's 25 miles right now, 26. 25 and a half, 26 now, 26 and a half. 27, 27 and a half. So it made easily 27. I also want to check it out, the brakes, to see how good they are. So I'll go up to the top speed almost, and then use the brakes. I'm about 26 miles, 27, 28, and then I'll brake. It's pretty good, and I noticed the brakes surprisingly very quiet compared to most mechanic brakes. So they brake pretty well for mechanic brakes, and they're very quiet. Usually they squeak some cheaper brakes, but so far it's good. The shifting works pretty good out of the box. You can change this gear with no problem. As some bicycles need to be adjusted derailleur. Okay, let's see how it rides on the grass and how fast it can go. Usually about 15 miles. So it's showing like 18 miles, so it's pretty good for grass. Let's see how it will go uphill over here. Okay, it's pretty good actually, very easy going uphill over here. But I'm gonna take it for a ride more, so we'll do more testing. So I rode just a little bit, few blocks, and on the grass. So far, it's very smooth bike. It does not give you much kick like some bicycle with so much power in it. But it's very nice setup. I can tell that the derailleur was already preset very well, so the shifting working with no problem out of the box. Installation was very easy out of the box. Just install the wheel and fender, as I said before, pedals, and it's ready to go. It comes with dual fenders, and it's a metal fenders, full fenders, so it's good. It's mechanical 160mm brakes, nice rack. It doesn't look like strong, but actually I sit on it over 200 pounds, holding me very well, so it's pretty strong. Okay, it does come with a rear brake light, which is integrated to the battery. The handlebar, it's not as wide, but still nice. If you want to make it wider, you can always buy a wider one, but it's not a big deal. This display, it's super bright. You can see I'm on the sun, and it's one of the first display. You can clearly see everything, which will show you pedal assist level, how many miles you rode. You can also switch the trip easily by pressing on this button over here, menu on M, and it will switch what voltage, current. So it will give you more information, the battery level, and the speed, of course. Over here it's a locking device for the fork. Alright guys, so that's about it. Don't forget to wear helmet for your safety always when you ride your bicycle. So far it looks great. It was set almost out of the box, very easy to set up and ride it. With the next 20-30 minutes you can basically ride it, because the battery charge about 70%, but I put it on charge until it's full, and it's very great bicycle for any terrain because it's a fat tires. It's foldable. You can easy to port it, like the mobility is great, so you can put it in your trunk, take it in the bus to work anywhere, because it's very easy to fold it. The bicycle, it's about 65 pounds maybe, I'm not sure, I never weighed it. I'll put in description whatever the company said, but I'm gonna weight it later. The battery is bigger than usual, should last about 18 probably to 50 miles, depending on your weight and terrain you ride. So it's all depend on the pedal assist level. Nobody can tell you exactly the mileage, because it will vary every time based on the weather and so on. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.